So today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute three-dimensional area and perimeter animals. They're really fun to make. Here's my tiger. I made Unikitty. You can make whatever you want. So let's get started.
We are going to be working on area and perimeter animals. And I know in your camp groups, you've talked about area and perimeter, and now it's your chance to make something, figure out the area and perimeter of it on your own. So first of all, the supplies. You're going to want to draw this in pencil. So grab your Girls Rock Math pencil. And when we get to coloring, I want you to use either color pencils or crayons, because when you cut this out, you don't want to have markers bleeding through the other side. For my project, I'm going to use a black pencil so that you can see what I'm doing, but these don't erase. So for yours, be sure to use your Girls Rock Math pencil. So to begin with, you have to think about what kind of animal are you going to do. I am going to do a bunny for my example for you. So as you've noticed here, this is your face of the bunny or whatever animal you want to do. That's the outside, and that square is already in your notebook for you. Then you're going to create the ears. If I was going to make an animal like a bear, I might just make small ears like that. But for my bunny, I am going to make really big ears that go all the way to the top of the page. So that's my rabbit's ears. Now, when I draw the body for my animal, what you want to do is you want to draw it so that his arms are out like this. You're going to make it the same on both sides because these little legs have to stand up, and you'll see how that works in a minute. So you'll make it symmetrical. There's one little set of legs and his other little set of legs. And they'll go in. And now I'm gonna do my little bunny tail, just like that. And now I can draw the details. I'm gonna draw a little fluffy tail, and I'm gonna give my bunny bright blue eyes and a little pink nose and little pink ears and his little funny face. So there I have my bunny. Now I need to figure out the area and perimeter, and to do that, there are lots of different ways you can do that. You can count all the dots on the inside. You can calculate the rows, the number in each row, and add it up. That's up to you to do. I'm going to give you a few minutes to work on yours right now while I calculate my area. So then to find your perimeter, you'll count the outside of each part of this shape. So how many units are on the outside? And I'll give you time to calculate that. So when I calculated mine out, I found that my area was 39 and my perimeter was 52. Once you've calculated that out, you'll get to cut out your animal. Now to make your animal, whatever kind of animal you picked, stand up, you just bend and then bend the little tail up. So I've made a few more so that you can see some other examples, and I wanted to show you that if you use crayon or color pencil, it's easy to draw on both sides. If you were using a marker, it would bleed through and you wouldn't be able to do both sides. So I did a bear, a bunny, a tiger, and Unikitty. If you have an idea that's not a real animal, you certainly can. So I just wanted to show you some of the examples and some of the different things that you can do. So I can't wait to see what kind of designs you make.